Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is tomato flu or tomato fever that spreads in our southern India mostly. And let's start our today's study. A new infection dubbed tomato flu or tomato fever has been detected in India, mostly among the children younger than 5 years, according to the report in Lancet Respiratory Journal. Also, this virus is known as the known life-threatening virus, was first identified in Kollam district of Kerala on May 6th. So basically जो ये टोमेटो फ्लू है ये 1 to 5 years के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनमें मैक्सिमम फैल रहा है और मैक्सिमम जो केसेस हैं इसके सदर्न इंडिया में ही मिले हैं. ऑल्सो एज ऑफ जुलाई 26 more than 82 children younger than 5 years had been reported with infection by government hospital in Kerala. और the report published in August 17 issue of the journal said. Also, it further said that the endemic viral illness triggered an alert in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as well. बेसिकली टमाटो फीवर और टमाटो फ्लू के जो केसेस हैं वो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं और अराउंड 82 चिल्ड्रन को रिपोर्ट किया गया था जुलाई 26 तक. ऑल्सो द मिंट आर्टिकल shows that how tomato fever is misleading name of for hand, foot and mouth disease says by the expert in the article. Also, what reports say? According to report, additionally 26 children aged 1 to 9 were reported with the infection in Odisha. To date, apart from the Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Odisha, no other region in India has been affected by the virus. So mainly these states are infected by the virus. Also, the primary symptoms of the tomato flu are similar to those of chikungunya, which include high fever, rashes and intense pain in the joints. So basically these are the symptoms of the tomato flu or tomato fever. And also there are some other symptoms like as other viral infection. Further symptoms include fatigue, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, swelling of joints, body aches and common influenza like symptoms. Also, young children are also prone to this infection through the use of nappies, touching unclean surfaces and putting things directly into the mouth. So basically these are the points by which the tomato flu can easily spread out. Also, as tomato flu is similar to the chikungunya and dengue as well as hand, foot and mouth disease, the treatment is similar: isolation, rest, plenty of fluids and hot water sponge for the relief of irritation and rashes. So basically these are the cure out way by which we can defeat the tomato flu or tomato virus easily. Basically this is similar to chikungunya or dengue as well. Also next we have, similar to other type of influenza, tomato flu is very contagious and children are at an increased risk of exposure as viral infection are common in the age group. Also, and the spread is likely to be through the close contact. ठीक है. सो मेनली क्या होता है कि कोई भी वायरस हुआ वो क्लोज कॉन्टैक्ट में आने से ही ज़्यादा स्प्रेड आउट होता है और जिससे जो नंबर ऑफ़ केसेस हैं वो इंक्रीज़ होने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं और डेली टू डेली नंबर ऑफ़ केसेस इंक्रीजिंग. Next we will study about extent of tomato fever. So when we talk about extent of tomato fever, given the similarity to hand, foot and mouth disease, if the outbreak of tomato fever in children is not controlled and prevented, the transmission might lead to serious consequences by the spreading in adults as well, the report said. So ये बहुत एसेंशियल न्यूज़ है कि अगर हमें इसको कंट्रोल नहीं किया गया सो ये अडल्ट्स को भी इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है और जिससे नंबर ऑफ़ केसेस अब्रप्टली इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे और हमारे लिए एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ टोमेटो फ्लू या टोमेटो फीवर, it caused by Coxsackie virus A16. It belongs to enterovirus family. Hand, foot and mouth disease is a frequent febrile rash illness of childhood caused by enterovirus Coxsackie A16, CA16, EV A71 and Coxsackie A6 and Coxsackie AB and ecovirus, said Dr. Suresh Umar Panugati, Yashoda Hospital, Hyderabad. So this was the news of tomato flu or tomato fever. If you like this analysis, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you.